What's up? This is Notorious, aka Same Play Smith, bringing another one for y'all guys. I finally got the HDMI converter so I can play my PlayStation 4. Upload video. This is my first game online. I'm going against somebody named DC Dex 202. I'm using the Redskins. I'm using the Steelers. Do work. I already made some substitutions. I substituted Coventry for Whedon for Coventry because Coventry was too slow. He got a speed of 82. I need more speed on my team. Also substituted my third string quarterback to my fourth string quarterback because speed reasons. But yeah, let's get ready to play. I'm really mad that my team, Pittsburgh, didn't go to the playoffs this year, but at least we wasn't 4-12 like the Browns. A good 8-8, 500. I don't want Mike Tomlin to get fired because he seems like he's a good coach. FedEx Field. Oh. It's cool, it's cool. Trying to melt this clock. Gonna try to melt this clock. Gotta. Come on, we can do work. Come on, we can do work. Do work, we doing it with him. Oh, he's like got 34. Trying to see what he got, man. I'm gonna run this clock out. If you want to be better in Madden, I suppose you use your run game, and your run game will set up your passing game. Because if you don't, the opponent gonna be in coverage the whole game. Ooh, hope you don't play that fag D. Yo, Rothberger, go, 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 nigga, my nigga. Waffles nigga. See. So same formation. That's all you got to do. Keep it in the same formation. Keep it nice and simple. Uh-oh. Ooh, I saw that. Do work. Good work. Good job. I've been playing Madden for years. Decades plus. Ooh, damn. I'll keep them 2 yards. See what he got. Ooh, he bumping me. Oh, should have throw it to Brown, nigga Brown. No, I mean should have throw it to Sanders, Emmanuel Sanders. What's he working with? Oh, damn. Our one was wide open. Yeah, I gotta go for it, man. I wasted too much time for 3 points. Nigga Brown, nigga Brown. Let's see what he got. What he got? What he got? What he got? Damn. Go away. Move that nigga over. Oh, I passed it to the wrong dude. I passed it to the wrong dude. Oh my god. I tried to pass it to X. I don't know why I push R1. Why? Damn. Come on, D. Let's do word then. Damn. See what he got. But the running formation. Yep. Get him. Damn. Come on. Let's see what you got. Are you going to run again? Gotcha. Do work. Worlds. He's on the enemy's team. Come on. What you got is 3rd and 10. What you got? 3rd and 10. I can do this. Right there. Oh, Dream, pick it off. 2 people was right there. Hey. Dang, man. I burnt the fuck out of that clock for nothing. Got him. Ooh, ooh, yeah, good play. Is that Williams? Yup. We gotta stop this play. Damn. Should have saw that coming, but they should have moved over there. I gotta stop this dude. Yeah, see that pressure? And I ain't even seen nobody. Come on. Ooh, scream? Yeah, you will scream me because you can't stop me. Yeah, there we go. You had to scream me. Damn, you pop them. I pop niggas. Damn, got sacked. Probably gonna score. Come on, defense. Come on, defense. Damn, I thought he was gonna throw it. Good play though, good play. I gotta score because he get the bag. He get the ball at half. Come on. Come on, Wheaton. Come on, Wheaton. Oh, to the cut left. Come on. Oh, you. Oh, triangle was wide open. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh, oh, he opens. Oh. Can you block? Goddamn. What kind of shit is this? Well, then, yup, see? Yeah, I'm using that screen because that's how he did me. Because that's how he did me. Because that's how he did me. Oh, that's how he did me. That's how he did me. That's how he did me. Yeah. Oh. Okay, that worked on Madden 13. Get him, Troy. Get him, Troy. There you go, cool. As long as I don't give him nothing deep, I'm cool with them short throws. Get him. Yep, stay in bounds. Play action? You gonna play action, dog? Who you throwing to? Ain't nobody over there. Come on. Ooh. Good play, good read. If you ask me. Run the ball. Down. Troy Polamalu. Troy Polamalu. Best safety in the game. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, triangle. What the fuck? Why you throw it over there? Come on. Oh, there we go. Whoops. Come on, go down. Call them out. Come on. Damn. He must have double covered him. He probably think he the shit now. I bet I won't let him score. I bet I won't let him score this half. Pop, because that what Steelers do. We pop niggas. Poor Troy. Come on, Troy. You gotta catch that. I'm having a bad game, but I'm only down by 7, so my defense is doing cool for now. Oh, you should have dropped that. Come on. Users! I got them user pick. Patoy polamalu. Go, 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 go. Ooh, go, go, go. Go. Oh, that should be a flag. For late hit. Come on, man. I can't be throwing no more interceptions. I can't be throwing no more interceptions. Ooh. Oh, damn. Fumble. Go, 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 go. Go, go, fat boy. Caught them out. Number 4 seconds, but man, I don't care. Damn. Just stop him. I could. Come on. Oh no! If he was faster in my territory. Ooh, good. Pop niggas. That's what we do. We pop niggas. We poppin', poppin'. God, oh, you wouldn't do a screen. You bitch. Okay. I'll see how you playing. I'll see how you playing. Yep. I just know I gotta come back in this game now. Beast mode. The Beast Mode Switch has officially been turned on. Beast Mode. Damn. Try. Oh, dude. Ooh, y'all ain't open. Oh. Coming back. I am clutch. Like LeBron James. Uh-oh. Got him. Beast mode. Got him. Come on, go, go, go. Oh. Oh, yeah. I'll see you here in the... Got him. Beast mode. Touchdown. Antonio Brown. Nigga Brown. Do work. Beast mode. Interceptions. And I'm coming back. Cause that's what we do. We pop niggas. I'm on defense. We gotta do work. Watch out for the screens. Watch out for the runs too. Damn. If you never would have tripped, would have been over. Got him. I already know. I do. Play action though. That should have been pretty cool. Mostly on defense. Oh! If I was 1 second faster, I got it covered, bro. You ain't going nowhere. Where you going? I got you covered. Ain't nothing you can do. It's called Beast Mode. And you ain't quick hiking? Yeah, you messed up. Ooh, you gotta catch that. That could have been... I could have took that to the house. What are you doing, the man test? Shut people do back in the day to see what you was in. Yeah, I'm adjusting. What? You ain't going nowhere, nigga? Where you going? Sack. The play a tackle. Because it's a design running play. Come on, 4th and 15. 4th and 15. Come on, we can do this. We can do this. We can do this. Our purple's gotta work. Uh-oh. Got him. Fumble, sack, got him. do work. Beast mode. Beast mode. Ooh. I could have got picked off. Put your mother don't fuck the wrong mistake this time. Right over in the middle. Right over in the middle. Beast mode. Yeah, I'm coming back in this game. Oh, this is touchdown. Touchdown. Yep. Touchdown. Beast mode. Tied the game. Clutch. He's not scoring anymore. Cause I figured him out. He's not. I'm not gonna let him score anymore. Got stopped. Run. Cause I know that. Oh, good. Damn. Pop him. You should have fumbled. Pop him. Dang, he got the first one. What you got? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Interception! Oh, did you drop it for? That could have been the game right there. Damn. Boom. Yeah. I know he's going for it. We gotta stop him on this play. Gotta stop this bitch. Popped him. Beast mode. Clutch. Game is over. Damn. There we go. There we go. There we go. We in clutch. We 10. Yeah. Oh, I should have cut it right. I don't know why I did that. What did I do that for? And I'm sprinting it. And I'm sprinting. And I got my fast running back. And I'm sprinting. And I got my fast running back. And I got my fast running back. Pop them all. Why you put me out of bounds though, man? To stop the clock. Cause I know he can't. Cause I know I can stop him. Oh, he did that on purpose. Cause he know. Cause he know. He lost. Probably one of the worst offensive games I ever played. And probably still gonna win this game. Touch. Pop him. Ooh, sacked him. Game over. You only got one time out. You should have used it. Cause long as we have each other, don't. We are the Steeler Nation. Oh, interception. User. Game over. Troy Polamalu. Player of the game. Play of the game. And this is the definition of beast mode. 21 straight points. It was 14-0 middle of third quarter. Came back and won. Beast mode. Steeler Nation. Do work. Give me my points. DC Dex. 202. Give me my points. This should be a lot of points too. My timer. Just like I said, Troy Polamalu, player of the game, 3 interceptions, no TDs though. I gotta work on that. Let's play the game. I guess so. Ooh, yeah. He won't tell me possession. Ooh. 19 points. Give me my points. But this is all for you. Everybody do work. Have a good day. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Deuces.